Hey guys, I'm Rodney.
And I'm Jake.
And my cousin needs a new mailbox. Really bad. But a huge shout out to Stonemore for sending us over their Cali model in the white with oak finish to replace this sad mailbox. Stonemore creates a standalone, independent, anti-theft mailbox, which is going to be huge. My cousin has obviously had structural issues, getting damage to her mailbox, as well as really bad theft because, again, security-wise, this thing's no good. But Stonemore has created a anti-theft column mailbox that we're going to be able to set in a concrete base and have peace of mind to know that all of our packages and letters are safe.
Let's do it.
There you go. Try to pry. Oh, there you go.
Look at this rotted.
So the problem with a traditional mailbox when you're using just a standard 4x4 post like this is even encased in concrete like this guy was, you still have wood to soil contact. So that's where the Stonemore mailbox is really going to come in handy. We're going to create a small concrete pad, and the full metal frame of this guy means no wood to soil contact. So you're going to get decades of use out of this mailbox without any rot or any concerns of, instability.
Beautiful.
So what we're going to do is we're going to cut this board here into 4 equal parts so that we can make our concrete frame around the base, get that dug out, set in place, leveled, and then pour our concrete.
Perfectly level right there.
That's level?
Yeah. Well, that's got a slope to it.
Yeah, but that's fine, so water and stuff.
No, it's designed to have a slope.
Oh.
Saying it has a slope.
That's great then. Yeah, water helps with water, sheds water off. It's fantastic. So the method that we are doing, because we are in hot central Texas, we are going to, the concrete is not fully cured, but it is cured enough where it's obviously holding the weight of the mailbox. And then we're going to take the concrete anchors that the product came with. I'm going to sleeve those into the concrete. We'll lift this guy straight up and off, and I'll hammer those into the proper height. And then what we'll do is we'll be able to allow this to cure a little bit longer. And then it came obviously with all the hardware, so we've got washers, a lock nut, and a bolt that'll go right on top of this guy, which is going to anchor this mailbox securely to the ground. So now we'll let this finish curing. Now that we know it's leveled, we've got our anchors in, we'll let the concrete finish curing, and then we'll be able to place the mailbox, tighten it up, and that's all it takes. All right, so now that our concrete has cured, I'm not going to take off the forms just yet. We're going to dry fit, make sure that the mailbox is still in line, nothing's shifted, and then of course we're going to take our washers and our bolts that the kit came with, and I'm going to use a socket wrench here to get everything tightened into place.
So now it's anchored, we have these 4 caps that go in over the bolts to protect them, keep anything from getting down in there. And then there's also, we have this mat that we'll put on over top of that. That adds additional cushion so that as packages and stuff come down, they hit this instead of hitting the metal bottom. And the cushion. Beautiful. I love this anti-theft feature from Stonemore. It's got a great little place to put packages. And once you close it up, they disappear, and you can only get it from the secure entry on the back. Letters go in this top slot. They're also locked and secure as well to keep those safe from theft. It comes with a great tamper-proof lock. Letters go here, and packages are down here. It also comes with this great little mat that helps cushion the fall whenever your packages drop in. For outgoing mail, you put it in the same parcel box, clip it in here, and then make sure you raise your flag for your post carrier.
All right, and that's it. It was honestly pretty easy. The Stonemore Cali model was super simple to install. I would say the hardest part was just pouring the concrete and waiting on it to dry. Everything else was super easy, but now total peace of mind. Our packages are protected, waterproof, theft-proof, tamper-proof. I mean, really, this thing's great. So, what do you think?
I love it. It's so beautiful. It's smooth. I love that I can get it so securely now, you know. Some kids tried to bat this one down last time. See them break a hand. And
Yep.
Right?
So you'll program the code to whatever combination that you want, and then it's pretty easy to unlock. It's also magnetic here, like the front door, so it has a little bit of like a pull to it.
Oh, perfect.
So it's nice and tight.
And it has that pad.
Yep. So
Oh,
if you get
that's
something
really
like
helpful.
fragile delivered,
Oh.
nice and safe.
Oh, it's like super cushiony.
I know.
Oh, that's great. Wow.
Cute, right?
So fancy, yes. I'm so excited.
Love it.
I love it. I love it so much.
And it totally matches your house.
Yes. And I'm pretty sure I can return some packages that I used to have to like shove into it. Like,
Oh, yeah.
please don't make me go
'cause
to
this is-
USPS.
Yeah, this is so much larger too
Yeah.
than a standard mailbox, which
Yeah.
is nice.
I love that.
Yeah.
Aw, I'm so excited. Thank you guys.
You're very welcome.